Michelle? Would she go first or kayo?
Siguro sasabihin ko lang kung anong ginawa ni Michelle dito, no?
Sige, bukasin.
So today, she filed a cyber libel case against Mr. Sian Gaza and 4 Facebook pages. So yun po yung mga nagpapalabas ng mga false news against Michelle. Napakarami na po, halos araw-araw may mga lumalabas na mga maling impormasyon tungkol po kay Michelle. In fact, meron pong isa pa doon na nasa ibang bansa daw siya at tumakas. So here, she's here. Kita nyo naman, never po siyang umalis ng bansa. And lagi naman po kaming humaharap sa inyo at sinasabi namin sa inyo kung ano po ang aming mga statement at ano po yung aming stand sa mga allegations sa kanya. So yun po yung purpose, kaya po nandito si Michelle to file that case against these persons and these pages.
Michelle, how is everything affecting you right now? Kamusta ka?
Well, of course, I'm human. I've been better, pero may tiwala naman po sa sistema natin. Tapos alam ko rin po na lalabas na ng katotohanan din. Do I feel worried? I know I'm on the right side of this. I know that, again, na I put my trust in our system, and I know that lalabas naman po ang mga kailangan lumabas. At am I worried? I'm just happy to be celebrating Chinese New Year very soon. Happy Chinese New Year po sa ating lahat, kung may Patroy.
Ano pong reaction niyo sa paglabas ni Totoy?
Paglabas po?
Ni Totoy,
Saan po?
magsalita po. Anong reaction niyo po?
Siguro po hindi mo na siya magbibigay ng statement regarding sa case po. Since it's under investigation, so to be safe about it, hindi na lang po muna siya magbibigay ng statement regarding.
Ang nakakapag-usap kayo nila Rian na
Siyempre magkasama kami sa bahay. So nag-uusap kami araw-araw po.
going back kay Sian Gaza, is this the
Yes, ma'am.
first time na may mga sinabi siya against you and especially with the Rian and sa grupo ninyo?
By first time, of course, I've seen things from years back, but let's just leave the case and the details to the necessary departments. Kaya po naman tayo nandito kasi may tiwala po tayo sa tamang proseso. And kaya andito po ako. It's a very challenging topic to deal with, social media. I know I'm not the only one affecting this. I know it's part of my job as well. But with everything going on, kaya dapat lumapit lang po tayo sa mga tamang officials for them to extend their help as well. And I'm here to call for accountability. Alam ko naman na artista ko, I'm a beauty queen also. I know scrutiny is always part of the job. Pero in cases like this, of course, it's a call for accountability against fake news, against misinformation. It's hindi po to teleserye. Mga totoong buhay po ang naapektuhan. Kaya sana we're diligent in looking for the right news and the right information po.
Scrutiny is part of the job.
Oh, yes.
Ano yung mga fake news na gusto mo linawin? Now, especially coming from Sian Gaza and yung mga pages na magpapalaga ngayon.
I'm sure in the next few days, mas marami pong lalabas na detalye. To those that maybe know kung ano yung mga posts na yon, I think the point here is na hindi i-normalize yung pagsasalita ng ganun towards sa mga babae. I think we should respect women's rights and privacies, especially if they're fake. But I think lalabas naman yan in the next few days.
Sorry to say this, pero how do you feel na parang nasa sexualize?
Uh,
Seen posts
yes.
from Sian, right? Although wala naman kami pake, naman yung...
Thank you. Like I said, I'm a public figure. I've built my whole platform around standing with love, respect, and kindness. I've built my whole career out of blood, sweat, and tears. So, of course, to be the subject of scrutiny, it's not the first time, of course. Pero syempre nakakasakit kasi sometimes people with scandals like this, they forget what you've done for your career and the hard work you've put. But again, it's also part of the job. To be a public figure, everyone is open to their own opinions. I respect all opinions. I respect constructive criticism, but there is a line that is crossed in terms of defamation and intentionally trying to take your career out of your hands. And that's why I'm here, just to call for accountability and for everyone to sana if you're going through the same thing, to just speak up and ask the proper authorities to help you out.
Message mo kay Sian Gasa.
I don't have a message for him.
Attorney, sorry yung message mo rin kay Alias Toto.
Wala
Sure,
muna,
I don't
wala
have a
muna.
message for him as
Kasi
well.
under investigation po siya. So whatever would be that message would be, yun nga, preemptive, di ba, dun sa investigation.
Sorry, Michelle, message mo kay Alias Toto.
Wala po.
Well, I think my message is just for everybody that continues to support me and what we stand for. Maraming salamat po talaga. I know it's been, at least for me and some other people, of course, it's been a rough couple of weeks. We have been better. It's not the way you want to start the new year. Pero alam ko naman po na in the right time, lalabas naman po lahat ng katotohanan. And again, sa lahat na patuloy pa rin ang suporta, maraming salamat po.
Attorney, ano mong reklamo yun?
So, bali cyber libel siya. Gusto ko lang klaruhin, no? Siyempre, as a public figure, kahit na subject to scrutiny sila, meron kasing pagkakaiba yung ini-scrutinize mo yung isang public figure, isang celebrity, as opposed to you're saying false information, no? So, yung mga hindi makatotohanan. So, kaya subject pa rin po sa cyber libel yun kapag may sinabi po kayong hindi totoo doon sa isang public figure. So, there's an actual malice to it. So, it's tantamount to cyber libel.
So, this is okay to ask. Do you have any injuries in your body?
Any injuries other than my heart?
Pwede malaman kung anong relevance ng question.
Sa dibdib po niya namumula po kasi.
Namumula. Baka ano lang siya.
Well, I'm not so sure. Pero I mean, wala naman po. I'm very much alive and well naman.
Attorney, pwede may pahapon lang kasi sinabi ng NBI na may mga pumunta daw sa camp ninyo sa summer to meet with the family ni Alias Toto. How true is it? And ano yung intention, if ever, totoo, yung pagpunta sa summer?
Actually, yun nga po, hindi muna kami sasagot ng mga, kasi yun, nagpunta rin kami sa NBI and since it's subject to investigation and validation, no? So, iba-validate pa rin yun ng NBI. We will be given our chance to answer these allegations when they have already validated and assessed yung mga allegations na yun ni Alias Totoy.